Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create custom block in Drupal. So let's check out our Drupal instance, and here we have to log in. Okay, so let me log into my backend. Okay, now next thing to do would be to go to structure. In structure you can see block layout, click on that. Next would be to see all the blocks that we have here. Okay, now to create custom block we have to click on this tab, custom block library. Now here currently we don't have any custom blocks, so we can add custom block by clicking on this button or at the top. Okay, now here let's see if I name my block hello. Okay, and add some content, say hello. This is Drupal, so this is the message I wish to output when this block is added. Okay. Now you can add some revision log message here and save this. Okay, now that block is saved, you can edit it by clicking on this. Okay, now currently we don't have a specific location for this block, so we will check the layout. Okay, so let's see if we can add our block in a specific location. So I can think of adding in sidebar. Okay, so we have search and tools here. You can place block there. Here you can add your hello block. Place the block here. You can place it on, let's see, basic page and article. Save. Okay, now you have your block here. Let's go back and save blocks. Now let's go and check the website. Okay, now what we can do is go to home page and here you can see our article page has hello block. Also let's check out for about us page. It also has hello block. Okay, so for external pages and also for article page you can find that block. So you get the idea how to create custom block and how to set its placement.